I think the Preceptor program is one of those great things that connects us to the community.
The Preceptor program is actually one of my favorite parts about Elon Law.
It was kind of interesting to meet somebody who actually practices in the field and can answer some of the questions that don't come up in class about what it is to be a lawyer.
Several of us are matched up with different attorneys in the community, and we get to go visit them at their jobs, and they tell us what they do all day and sort of give us some real-world lawyering opportunities.
You're assigned a practicing attorney in the legal community so that you can have an outlet, someone to talk to in the legal community and get a better understanding of what it's like to be a lawyer as opposed to a law student.
I went to the court with my preceptor. I went to negotiations with my preceptor. I went to mediations with my preceptors.
I didn't really have any attorneys in my family, so this gave me a way to interact with other professionals in the field and see what their daily work was like and visit their office and go to the courthouse with them.
I feel like I'm making the profession better by investing my time in helping these law students. I think maybe I met 2 practicing attorneys in my 3 years of law school and really didn't get to see them in action at all. And I believe that was fairly typical until recently. By pairing the students with a practicing attorney and putting them in a position where they can actually see what that attorney does day in and day out, it's an incredibly eye-opening experience and very helpful, I think, to their legal education.
People marvel at the fact that we can enlist, 50 or 60 lawyers on a regular basis to be in and out of our law school working with our students. They really see themselves as making a huge contribution to the legal education of Elon law students. And the Elon law students understand that they are getting an enormously valuable experience by their association with these practicing lawyers.
It's just really nice to see someone actually practicing when a lot of the time we're learning about these things in a classroom setting.
Throughout that process, I've had the opportunity to network with several other attorneys, and it's actually given me an opportunity to gain practical experience while being at Elon with the work that I've done with some of the attorneys that I've met through the Preceptor program.
That's something that Elon Law has done for us. They've given us several opportunities to talk to established lawyers in the community.
We just got to see law in action, and that's something that I don't think a lot of other places would have to offer. And the Preceptor program definitely does a good job of making sure that we get some exposure in the real world.